Haven't played games for years and hours, almost every day. Constantly pressing the L3 button causes a little bit of fatigue in my thumb, because that's what I'm constantly doing in the games that I play. Always pressing this button down, and you can see kind of it can get a little bit achy after doing that for a long time. So here with this PlayStation 5 compatible controller here, I'm gonna set a button, and you can program buttons on here. It's really easy to set up. You're just gonna hold the set button down. You're gonna hold it down for maybe about 2 seconds or so. You'll know when it starts to vibrate. It lets you know you're ready to go. So when it's ready, I just press the L3 button down, and then I set it. I'm gonna set it to this button here. Then once I press it, once it'll vibrate, let you know, okay, it's set. So anytime I'm playing a game now, and I'm walking and I need to run, I can press the button here, so I can relieve some of the stress on having to constantly push the button down with my thumb. So that's one of the reasons I like this controller. Make things a little bit easier. And of course, you can program. It says it can program up to 24 buttons. So if you needed a combo that somehow needed 24 button presses, once you have the button set, you set the button, and then once you're ready, you will press the button, and it'll activate all the buttons that you pressed in that combo when it's set. And again, it's kind of the same way with the turbo button here. You can set the turbo of the buttons, so anytime I press it, you get the fast turbo button. For any particular button here that can be pressed down, you can set to turbo.